Hi. You might be wondering, what am I actually doing here at the park? No, I'm not here for the jogging. I'm here just to take a picture. Now, I would like to ask you guys a question. Have you ever tried to take a beautiful, aesthetic, white nature photo? But somehow, when you look at it like this, it looks like old Nokia phone. Yes, you the one who took like the old Nokia phone. And yes, nature can be gorgeous, but our photo don't always agree. Luckily, with a few simple tips and techniques, anyone can turn those mess shots into the amazing one. Hi, my name is Mohammad Hussaini by Hamdan, and as someone who enjoy exploring outdoor and learn about the compositing and lighting in photography, I've learned and want to share with you guys how can turn those normal shots into the stunning ones. Today, I would like to share with you guys how to take a better nature photography. Let's talk about the importance of the lighting. The importance of the lighting can be crucial on the elements because it creates a mood and tone to the picture. If the picture dark, the mood will become scary, sad. If the picture are bright and warm, it somehow calm you feel on the picture. Feel like very beautiful. Now, how aesthetic picture work on the natural light? Natural light can follow throughout the day, like golden hour. Golden hour means the picture on the sunrise and the sunset. The sunrise means around 6 to 7 a.m. The sunset is around 6 to 7 p.m. also. I've talked about the lighting. Settle. Now, let's talk about the composition technique. It is an important part of the white photography. It determines of how you arrange your photo and help the viewer's eyes. Composition techniques require a rule of third and imagine dividing your 9 equal frame and placing the subject around those lines. It helps you balancing to make more interesting photo. Remember to include a foreground like rocks, like flower, like trees, or any object that can add more depth to your photo. I think that's all for me to share about the tips. To sum up my conclusion, remember that nature photography doesn't require any of the equipment. Only just one, which is a phone or a camera. Once you learn about these two techniques, which is compositing and the lighting, you will be able to take one of your favorite shots like sun, like river, like any of the surrounding that can feel your excitement through your picture. And remember, don't just snap photo. Observe your surrounding. Find the best moment to capture. I think that is all for me today. Thank you and see you guys. Bye.